Hello students, in today's video I am going to explain you poem Geography Lesson written by Zulfikar Ghosh. Okay, so let's we continue our poem. Okay, when the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. See its scale 6 inches to the mile. There seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. Now, jet aeroplane, you know that jet, it is a jet aeroplane, and the sprang means moved or went up. Okay, now haphazard means without proper order. Okay, and inevitably, inevitably means something unavoidably. Okay, something unavoidable. Now, in this poem, the poet described the scene of the city and the country from an aeroplane flying high. Okay, when the jet plane took off, the sky was clear. The poet looked out from the window. The city looked neatly planned, but on the ground it looked without plan or order. Okay, it had numerous lands and houses without style or symmetry. Okay, now in the second stanza, when the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities, why the rivers ran, and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography, that land and water attract man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. Okay, so here logic, reason. Okay, and delineated means shown. Delineated means SHOWN. Okay, and logic, reason. So, and okay, so here in the second stanza, when the aeroplane flew at a height of 10,000, okay, 10,000, height of 10,000 feet above sea level, okay, above sea level, he looked below and realized the logic of geography. It became clear to him why the cities in every countries are situated on the river banks. Okay, so here it becomes clear to poet why the cities in every countries are situated on the river banks. Okay, now secondly, the people lived chiefly in the valleys. Okay, this is the level land between the hills. Land and water are primary needs of life. They attract people. Okay, now in the third stanza, when the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land, but it was difficult to understand that the man on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities, and to kill. From that height, it was not clear why. Okay, so here causes means reason. Okay, so here in this stanza, poet said that when the plant rose as a high above the ground as a 6 mile, okay, 6 mile high, the earth looked round. How was the earth look round? Okay, yes, round, and it had more water than land. Okay, more water, sea means more water than land. Okay, the poet understood the reason why it was so. Okay, but he could not see any logic behind the division of land by raising walls of bricks and hatred, and why people went madly after one another's throat. Okay, so here in this stanza, poet has described nicely the war has created between the human being and how they kill each other. Okay, so still poet said I didn't understand the reason behind it. I hope students you all understood. Thank you.